Got the bonus. Crazy chickens in space. Let's see what it do. Hell yeah. Cheerleaders. Alright. Oh man, it's gonna kick back me. Press the button. Times two. Oh, it keeps multiplying it. Hey, press the button for me. Thank you. Alright, keep hitting it. We got instant wins and multipliers. So we need some instant wins to drop. There we go. Plus the multipliers. Keep hitting it. Just keep on going. I'll record. We need some multipliers. The multipliers land in the instant win. There we go. See, it multiplies everything in a row. Instant win. Oh, this could be alive.
So when that one drops.
Oh, it didn't redo it. I'll still take it though. That was a 75-cent bet. It's just the screen started shaking and quaking, and then there we go. I only do $10 in the machine.
Oh, that's the come up.
That's a come up. The cheerleader left. All right. And that's how we do it.